Welcome to Techno Analyst. So in a previous video, we saw that how to install Active Directory and domain service. So now what I will do, I have two operating system over here. One is Windows Server 2022 and another one is Windows 11. So what we will do, this system we configured already in the domain. So we will add this Windows 11 system into the domain. So let's check out all the process. First of all, what I will do, I will go to Windows Server. We'll push Control or Delete. Now just note down this IP address which I mentioned over here. 192.1.50 is subnet mask. DNS server. This is my DNS server. So my server IP will be 192.1.1.50. I click OK. Close. This one I will minimize this. Right now I will create one user. We already installed Active Directory and domain service. So what we will do, we create one user over here. For that, just go to the tools and click on Active Directory users and computers. Click on TEchno-RD.com, click on users. Here I will create one user and username is Windows 11. Login name is Windows 11. Click on next. I will mention password. Next, finish. So we create one user called Windows 11 in this Active Directory, TEchno-RD.com. And now this is my Windows 11 system. So now I will check it's pinging or not. First I will check this IP address, 192.168.1.46 is the IP address of this system. Now we will check ping 192.168.1.50. So my DNS server IP is also pinging. So let me show you the configuration of my network adapter. So what we mentioned, the IP address, and DNS we mentioned domain name. Sorry. So in the network adapter setting, you can see IP address of this system 46, which is pinging perfectly, and in DNS server we mentioned the server IP address, which is 50, and it is also pinging. So what we will do now, right click on this PC, click on show more option, click on properties. Here click on domain or workgroup. You can say right now currently this Windows _11 is a system name and it is under workgroup. So here you can see change its to rename or change its domain or workgroup. Click on change. So we have to change the domain. Select domain name. What is the domain name? Techno RD. Right? Let me verify one more time. Techno RD. Techno RD. Click on OK. The name Windows 11 underscore 11 contain non-standard characters. This might cause a problem in some application or network hardware. Generally, you should not give this underscore kind of name while in naming convention when you give any system name. Now I have to mention the administrator password and account. See, it is showing message like welcome to the TEchno-RD domain. So now this system Windows 11 we successfully configured into the domain. So click OK. Okay. Restart now. So before we restart, I want to show you. We create one user which is called Windows 11. So after restarting, we will use this ID and we'll try to log in with this ID into the domain. So we will restart this system, Windows 11. So it's restarting. Yeah, it is restarting. So meanwhile, I will show you my network configuration in VMware workstation. So I configured this one is on net, and this Windows server is also is on net. So both the system is connected onto the net. This setting is about for VMware only. When you are doing this testing on VMware, so both network adapter is configured on net. Okay. Now you will send control or delete over here. You will select other user. The moment I click on other user, it is showing me sign into TEchno-RD. That is our domain name. So the user which we created that was Windows 11. See, we successfully log in through Windows 11 user which we created in Windows Server 2022 over here. So this will now creating the profile for Windows 11 with the name of Windows 11. So in this way you can configure a Windows 11 system into the domain And if you have any query, just or questions, just mention in the comment box. Please like and subscribe the video. Subscribe to Analyst-RD. If I will click over here, I can see my username is Windows 11. See now, if I will go to the properties of my computer, and I will check my uh, domain name. Previously it is showing workgroup. So let's see what is showing right now. This prompt me for the password, username and password. See, this domain name is techno.rd.com, and my full computer name is windows_11.techno.rd.com. So in this way you can configure AD and domain service, and in this way you can add a client system into the domain system. So thank you. That's it from this video. Thank you. Please subscribe to Analyst-RD. Please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe to TEchno Analyst.